Uh, yes, ma'am, it's recording. Okay, children. So, Sanmita, please unmute yourself. Yes, Sanmita, please. No, your voice is not audible, dear. No, dear. It's breaking.
Ma'am, it's audible, ma'am.
No. Sanmita, again, can you say some words?
Ma'am, the picture is audible, ma'am.
The picture is visible, right? Sanmita, please.
Ma'am, her voice is little bit low, ma'am.
Sandhya ma'am,
Yes,
uh,
ma'am.
ask them Shamil, Shamita, ask to mute them. Afterwards, we can.
Okay, ma'am. Shamil, please mute yourself. Children, all of you mute yourself except Sanmita. Yes, Sanmita, now you can.
My topic is global warming. Global warming usually refers
Sanmita, keep the poster down. Come closer to your mic. Keep the poster down. No, no, take your mic. Take your mic. Okay. Yes.
global warming. Good morning, ma'am. My topic is global warming. Global warming usually refers to human included warming. Change can refer to natural and project change. Heating of Earth's surface, oceans, and air is caused by activity. Burning of fossil fuels on CO2 gases in the atmosphere. Global warming pressures are system through water shortage include drought. We can stop global warming by recycling more waste, use less hot water, plant a tree, turn off electronic device, and not get used. Thank you, Jaigur.
Okay, thank you, Sanmita. And she was telling about global warming. So, how the global warming is happening because of which the carbon dioxide, the chlorofluorocarbon, the gases which are released, okay, and they cause Earth. So, Earth is getting trapping heat, okay, so that our planet Earth is becoming more heat. Okay, so this is how a global warming is happening.
Ma'am,
So, yes,
I can tell one option.
who is that?
I can tell Ma'am Shivapriya ma'am.
Yes, Shivapriya, you can.
Ma'am, one second.
Yes.
இது பாரு.
Global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is an concept of climate change referring to the long-term rise of the planet's temperature. What are its causes? Increased concentrations of gases in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities, burning fossil fuels and farming. Some examples. Here are some examples. Increased temperature causes polar ice caps to adding wet water to the ocean causes the water levels to rise. How can we stop global warming? Drive less, check your tires, recycle more, hot water, plant. We follow these, we can stop global warming.
Okay, thank you, Sivapriya. Okay, and she was well explained about global warming. So any other, so next to global warming, we have Sanjana Shri and Satvika. Are you ready now? Sanjana Shri and Satvika, are you ready now? From 4C? Yes, yes, Sanjana Shri, please unmute yourself and share your video. Share your poster, please. I'll tell you what is greenhouse gases, okay? So let them finish. Yes, Sanjana Shri.
Ma'am, can you see my poster?
Yes, yes, yes. And your voice is audible too. You can. Unmute yourself, Sanjana. Yes.
Global warming denotes rise in the Earth's average temperature. It has now become a major concern in the world, and we have already facing the effects of global warming. Cause of global warming. Primary causes of rise in the Earth's temperature is greenhouse effect, which is caused by greenhouse gases that absorb and reflect radiant energy. Human activity, like deforestation, industrialization, environmental pollution, increase the greenhouse effect. Prevention of global warming. Some of the way which the common people can do to reduce global warming: increase plantation, decrease transportation pollution by using public transport and carpooling, use electric vehicles or bicycles, use of LED bulbs and avoid wastage of electricity, recycle and reuse. Conservation. Considering the damage already caused to our Earth, we have to keep following the preventive measures to make our Earth a better place for our future. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjana. Very nice. Well explained. So next, Satvika. Satvika from 4C. Okay, next, Sudarshini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
My voice is audible.
yes, audible child.
Jai Gurudev. I am Sudarshan Shri. I am going to tell about greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is the process by which radiation from the sun are absorbed by the greenhouse gases and not reflected back into space. This insulates the surface of the earth and prevents it from freezing. Greenhouse gases are the gases that absorb the infrared radiation and create a greenhouse effect. For example, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, water vapor, methane, ozone, and nitrous oxide. Greenhouse effect is created in cold countries to trap heat necessary to grow plants. Greenhouse is a house made of glass. It has glass walls and a glass roof. People grow vegetables, flowers, and other plants in them. A greenhouse stays warm inside even during cold season. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Sudarshini. Very good. Superb.
Thank you,
Next.
ma'am.
Okay. So next, Vedashri, Vismaya, are you ready now? Vedashri, Vismaya, and Shri. Shri from 4C. Shri from 4C, are you ready now? Vedashri, Vismaya. Yes, Vismaya. Oh, you already did. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, dear. Thank you. So any other one? Okay. Shri. Okay, so next I'll move to the 4D. Thank you, children. 4C. So we have completed with the 4C. So any other one left from 4C? Do you want to tell? Do you have anything? Do you have poster? Did I left anyone from the 4C? Okay, so next I'll move to the 4D. So 4D now, who is ready now? Sahana. Yes, Sahana. Sahana, your voice is not audible. No, Sahana, your voice is not audible. Sahana, keep the poster and take your headset and speak. Okay, so Sahana, please check and then come back. Okay, Tejashni, please. 4D, Tejashni. Yes. Unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear, you're audible now.
My topic is greenhouse effect. Sunlight streams to the atmosphere and heat the earth. Heat from the earth's surface, some of it escape into the space. Rest of it absorbed by the gases. This process of heat absorption is called greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases are nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, and water vapor are balanced in our atmosphere. Human activities such as burning fossil fuel, land clearing, agriculture, and transportation are increasing global warming. Final conclusion: reduce population, reduce pollution, reduce gasification. Thank you.
Thank you, Tejashni. Well explained. Very good. Superb. So next, Vishali. Yalini Nikita, are you ready now?
Yes,
Yes, Vishali. Unmute your, switch on your video, please. Show your poster. Okay. Yes, Vishali, you can.
The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface when the sun energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere. Some of it is reflected back to space, and the rest is absorbed and radiated by greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of Earth. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishali. Very good. Superb. So next, Yalini, are you ready now? Yalini Nikita. You are in the class, but you are not responding. At least you can mute yourself and tell me the reason, right, children? Okay, so Ridhishna, are you ready now? Sahana, Ridhishna, Sri Hasini, Subhashri. Children, tell me from the
Ma'am,
Ridhishna. Okay, you don't have poster. Can you speak about your topic? Yes, Aradhya.
ma'am, ma'am, can I tell you next class, ma'am? I am not ready with chart, ma'am. I will make the chart and I will
Children, we
ready.
have given you enough time, right? So we have given you 2 weeks or 3 weeks time,
Sorry,
right?
ma'am. In next
But
class, will compulsory I will tell you.
okay, so today we have to end up this class, right? So if you go to the next session, the when are we start the second lesson, next lesson, right? So I'll give you the time. So next time, so upcoming Friday, no, you have to speak about your poster activity, okay?
Ma'am, I will speak about my
Okay. So next, any other one is ready now? Rudushna, are you ready? How about Sahana? Sahana? Yes, Sahana.
Audible, ma'am?
Yes, audible child.
Good morning, Jai Gurudev. I am going to speak about global warming. Global warming is averagely increasing temperature on Earth's atmosphere. Every year it increases 0.06 to 0.09 degrees Celsius. It caused by factory outlets and vehicle usages, which exits carbon dioxide. It settles down in the earth and heats up the atmosphere. To decrease this global warming, we must stop this. We must follow these steps. Plant more trees because the tree will absorb the carbon dioxide and give us oxygen.
Okay, Shubhashri.
Save water. The water will cool the earth fully. We should not throw off. We eat full. We must eat fully. We must follow 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycling. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, dear. Very nice. Superb. Excellent. So next, Michael, unmute yourself. Michael from 4D, unmute yourself. Michael, are you in the class? 4D, Michael. Unmute yourself, Michael.
Ma'am,
Vidyut,
your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Vidyut, unmute yourself. Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vidyut, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyut,
Ma'am.
are you ready now? Vidyut, I'm asking you, unmute yourself. Are you ready with the poster? So Vidyut and Michael, call me after the class get over, okay? Okay, children. Next, Sharan from 4D, no, is showing some poster. Sharan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sharan, do you want to share about your topic now? Oh,
Yes,
you have a, yes, Sharan. Please unmute your video, unmute your audio, and switch on your video, please.
Jay, good day. My name is Sharan from 4D. Today I'm going to talk about water pollution. What is interaction of water pollution? Water pollution is contamination of water bodies caused by human activities. Water bodies include pond, river, lakes, oceans, and groundwater. Water pollution results when wastewater is introduced into natural environment. Example, when wastewater is produced by industrial factories and households can lead to water pollution. Causes of water pollution: radioactive waste, global warming, industrial waste. Thank you, Jay Gurdev.
Thank you, Sharan. Very nice. Thank you. Very good. Okay, children. So today, okay. So now, ma'am will explain what is greenhouse and global warming now. Okay.
Ma'am, Tarun Krishna, ma'am.
Sorry.
Tarun Krishna, ma'am.
Yes, Tarun Krishna.
Ma'am.
Tarun, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell, ma'am?
Magisha. Yes,
Yes,
Magisha.
ma'am.
Yes, Magisha.
Okay, ma'am. Is that clear, ma'am?
What is air pollution? Air pollution is mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Example, car emissions, chemicals from factory, dust, pollen, and more spores may be suspended particles. Ozone gas is a major part of in cities. When ozone from air pollution, it is also called smog. Some air pollution, are poisonous in inhaling them can increase your health problem. People with heart, lungs disease, or other adults and children are greater than breathers. Some air pollution. Thank you, Jai Gurudev ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Well, super. Very good. So next, Magisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Magisha. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. This is IS Magisha from Port C. Today I am going to talk about 3R's mantra that are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce the level of water usage and recycle the water for plants and animals. The recycle the water for future needs. If you follow the 3R's that are reduce, reuse, and recycle, our earth will be happy. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Magisha. Very nice. Super. So short and simple. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So any other one? Dikshita, stop playing with your neighbors. Dikshita, stop playing, please. Okay. So now ma'am will share the screen now. Okay, so now we are going to see what is global warming. Okay, so you all know we are blessed with the planet Earth. So Earth consists of what? Living beings. Okay, water we have food, everything we have in the planet Earth, and it is your third planet of your solar system, and it has a stable temperature. So stable temperature means if you take some other planet, they may have a cold temperature or there will be a very hot. So if you take a planet Earth, it is moderate. So it doesn't have that much of heat and doesn't have that much of cold. So we called a Earth planet have a stable temperature, and that is your favorable place. So you all know that air is a mixture of gas. Okay, air is a mixture of gas. So what do we take for breathing, children? What we inhale?
Oxygen, ma'am.
Oxygen. So oxygen. Oxygen. Okay, so air is a mixture of gas which consists of nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, and major part of this mixture, and we call air another name as the atmosphere. Okay, so we have another name for air is atmosphere. Okay, so atmosphere, it's a mixture of gases again. Okay, and but this atmosphere what is doing? It's acting like a blanket. Okay, it's not keeping our planet too warm and not too cold. Okay, it's a blanket for our planet Earth. So atmosphere is your blanket. Okay, so now it is your thin blanket of a air. Okay, So the sun, okay, so if you take some places, no, like a cold places, Arctic or Antarctic circle, if you take, the temperature will be a very heat or cold. How the climate? Cold. So will all the crops will grow in that cold climate, children? No, right? So if you take some other, so major latitude, if you take some other places like India, okay, and some other places like India, Singapore, Malaysia, and if you take some other places, no, there the climate will be a moderate climate. That means the earth which is giving the sun observing the heat, okay, so it is not that much, so sun is
Ma'am,
observing the heat and keeping a
ma'am,
planet. Yes.
Ooty
Yes.
is Ooty will be cool. Desert will be hot.
Yes, Ooty will be cold and desert will be very hot. Okay, so it is all happening because of a atmosphere. Okay, so atmosphere is a mixture of gases. Okay, so from the sun, no, we get, so air is a mixture of gases. So we have a gases like, yes, yes, Revan Sharma. So we have a gases like in the atmosphere, we call that gases as a greenhouse gases. So one is your carbon dioxide, so methane we have, chlorofluorocarbon and water vapor. Okay, so air is a main component, main consists of nitrogen and oxygen. So it is also consist of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide we have, methane we have, water vapor and chlorofluorocarbon. So what these gases will do? These gases will absorb, trap the heat from the sun. Okay, trap the heat from the sun and keep our planet Earth warm. Okay, these gases only trapping a heat from the sun. So you can see the three rays. So this is your sun. Okay, this is your sun. Okay, let me show you. So you are, do you understand what are the gases trapping the heat? So four gases. One is your carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor. Okay, so now we here you can see the sun. Okay, sun is passing the three rays. So one is your UV rays, next is your visible ray, and next is your infrared rays. Okay, three rays. So one UV rays we called it as a ultraviolet radiation, so which is a harmful rays. Okay, UV rays are harmful rays. What will happen? We have a ozone layer in the atmosphere. Okay, this ozone layer will not allow the UV ray to enter into the planet. Okay, what this your ozone layer will do, when the ray is passed to the UV ray is passed to the ozone layer, it will reflect back to the space. Okay, it will not allow the UV rays to enter into Earth's surface. Okay, it will reflect back to the space. So if we get a UV rays to the planet Earth, no, we will get diseases like skin cancer, skin will get burned because of the heat. No, we have to face many problems because UV rays is not a good rays. Okay, and this rays will not pass because of the ozone layer. And next we have another two layer. One is your visible ray and infrared ray. Visible ray is your light. Okay, so in the daytime we get light from the, which, where do we get light, children? In the daytime, do we get from the moon?
The sun. No, ma'am.
Sun.
Sun.
Okay, so that is your visible ray. So from the light, so we get light from the visible from the sun. That we called it as a visible ray. So next is your infrared ray. So that is a ray which trap the heat. Okay, so this ray first will come to the earth's surface and again it reflect to the atmosphere. So in the atmosphere we have gases like methane, chlorofluorocarbon, water vapor and carbon dioxide. Okay, in the atmosphere. So what this atmosphere will do, will trap the heat and again it will reflect back to your planet. Okay, so first it will reflect to your planet, the planet will reflect to the atmosphere, and atmosphere have the gases, again it will trap the heat and reflect back to your earth surface, so the your planet earth is very warm. Okay, okay children, so this is your greenhouse effect. Okay, because of that your planet earth is very warm because the gases are trapping a heat from the sun. Okay, so we have already a amount of gases which is trapping a heat. So and we human, what we are doing, no, we are releasing a carbon dioxide. Okay, and carbon dioxide, and the factories, the smoke, okay, and the fridge and the refrigerator which have chlorofluorocarbons, and the vehicles, no, fossil fuels, the smoke which come out from the vehicles, everything will go to the atmosphere. So do we have more trees or a building in a planet earth, children, which is more in number now? Do we have trees or the buildings? So what is the process of a tree? The tree will absorb the carbon dioxide, right, and gives us oxygen. So it is the main thing of your tree. So now we don't have more trees. What will happen? Which we release the carbon dioxide from the industry side and the vehicles, all this will not absorbed by the tree because we don't have tree. So what will do? It will go to your planet earth. Okay, it will go to the atmosphere. All the gases which we are releasing, no, the carbon dioxide, the chlorofluorocarbons, so from the industry side or from the vehicles, okay, fossil fuels, so what will happen? Everything will go to the atmosphere, and atmosphere will trap more heat. Okay, already atmosphere is trapping a heat from the sun. Okay, if you give more gas to the atmosphere, it will absorb more heat. Do you understand? Yes, yes. So we are giving a more gas to the atmosphere, and all these gases also will absorb the heat from the sun. And what will happen to a planet Earth if we absorb more heat? It will be very warm. Okay, and that we called it as a global warming. Okay, that we called it as a global warming, trapping more heat from the sun. So a planet become more heat. So if it is more heat, do we have any consequence? Do we have any problem, children? Do we face any problem if a planet earth become very heat, warm? It's not warm, it's heat, hot. Okay, so what will happen if they trap more heat? If you take a Arctic and Antarctic circle, there we have a glaciers, right? Ice. So what will happen because of this heat? The ice will get melt. Okay, because of the heat, the ice will get melt, and the sea level will increase. Okay, and the sea level, so if ice melt, what will happen? The water level will increase, and the water will go to the sea, and the sea level will increase. So if this sea level increase, what will happen? So near to the place which were located to the sea, no, that will submarine with the water. Okay, it will sink in the water. Okay, the water will be, the country there will be in the water. You cannot see that country anymore because of the increasing of global warming. Okay, and some places become very water, some places like there will not be any water at all, and that place we called as a drought. Okay, and there all will not be any water. And what will happen? Without water, do the plants will grow? Do we get food? Do animals live? Do plants live without water? No. So and that places we, so if the global warming is happening, we get affected because of the more drought, and wildfire will happen. And for the forest, no, because of the heat, what will happen? The trees may get fire. Okay, so and the forest will get destroyed because of the global warming. So to avoid all the consequence, what we do, children? Text me in the chat box. What can we do to avoid all this greenhouse effect, and so to not to have the, yes, air pollution we have to reduce. Plant more trees, water. Okay, save electricity. Okay, plant more trees. So you try to avoid vehicles. Okay, like going near to the places. So if you have, if it is next to your street, you can go by walk or you can use a cycle for that. You need not take every time a scooter or a car for the nearby places. Okay. If you go by that, it's a good exercise and you can save a planet Earth also. Okay. Okay. Reduce the garbage. So reducing your garbage is use of in your plastics. Okay, you have to reduce use your plastic so that your garbage level will get increased. So your decay will not increase. So which level plastic will get increase and it will not come to your reduced state. It will take 100 years or to come to the reduced level. Okay, so use of a paper and use of a fridge. We should not use your fridge. So we cannot live without fridge, right? We can. Okay, stop factories. Okay. Okay. Stop factories. So we cannot do the stop factories and all, and they have some other process to reduce the smoke. Okay, and they are doing that. So the factories are reducing the smoke with the help of some machines. Okay. 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 So this is your global warming and greenhouse effect. So Mahadi, you want to tell about a conservation day, right? Yes, Mahadi, please unmute yourself and share your video. So today is your World Conservation Day, right? Saving a planet Earth. So instead of throwing water bottles, no, you can keep that water bottles and you can plant trees or you can use for some other purposes, right? Reuse. So Mahdi, yes, Mahdi, unmute yourself. Yes, Sahana, our Earth planet is getting spoiled because of the human creation. Okay, mic is locked. Whose mic is locked? Pranavi mic is locked. Oh, okay. So, Mahadi, ma'am, please remove Mahadi, unmute Divya, ma'am. Mahadi mic is locked. Yes, Mahadi, now you can.
I going to tell about conservation day. Conservation means we caring and protecting our natural series source like soil, plants, air, water. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. So, save the planet Earth by reducing your plastics and planting more trees, no? So, you can conserve your planet Earth, okay? So that we can live happily. Okay, thank you, Mahadi. Very nice. Yes, with youth, you can. Unmute yourself with youth.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
in Kulu Manali there will be so cool, ma'am.
Yes, Kulu Manali. So they will have a greenhouse gases. They trap. So they build like a greenhouse. So there is a greenhouse forming. There will be there. So they trap a greenhouse for the crops.
Ma'am,
Yes, with
ma'am,
you. Yes, yes, yes. Your poster is clear.
I'm
Yes.
going to talk about water effects. Just
Vidyut, come closer. Come, take your mic and speak. Keep your poster down.
I'm going to talk about water effects. Depth of aquatic animals. Disruption of food chain. Diseases. Destruction of ecosystem.
Vidyut, your voice is not audible.
ma'am?
Not audible, Vidyut.
Now, ma'am,
Ah, now it's audible.
depth of animals. Destruction of food chain. Diseases. Destruction of ecosystem.
Are you talking about ecosystem, food chain? What happened, Vidyut? So, Vidyut, be prepared and come in the next class, okay? So, children, so we have,
Ma'am, what's the special day, ma'am?
what is the?
Special day, ma'am.
Today is a World Conservation Day. So
Okay.
conservation is a saving our environment, okay? So children, so in the next class, you have to bring all the activities, okay? So sorting garbage activity and reuse. So the paper which you make, okay, the pencil stand, the pen stand, okay, the with the ice cream stake you made something, right? So what are the activities you have done? In the next class, everyone have to show the things to me. Okay?